Hello everyone, my name is Komal Undre and today is 5th of February and my today's topic is what is JRE, JDK and JVM. I am explaining all these three. What is meant by JDK? JDK is a Java development kit and next one is a JRE. JRE is a Java runtime environment and next one is a JVM. JVM is a Java virtual machine. Let's talk about one by one. What is meant by JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit, and its Java Development Kit is specially used for developing, and the developer uses JDK because of it contains bundles of development tools. And if you want to develop any application, so there is need to to download JDK in our machine. And next one is a JVM. What is means by JVM? JVM is a Java runtime environment, which means that it provides a runtime environment to run our program. And JRE contain compiler plus some development tools. And next one is next one is Java virtual machine. And Java virtual machine, inside Java virtual machine, it is not physically exist. And Java virtual machine, it contain JRE plus some libraries and plus some files too. With the help of we can run our program, and we can execute our bytecode inside a Java virtual machine with the help of Java runtime environment. And Java runtime environment, it contains compiler also. So let's talk about these three with the real-time example. If we want to eat some delicious food, so let's consider one example. There is a one hotel code verse, and if in that hotel there is a chef who is cook excellent food for us. If we want to eat anything, he will cook delicious food for us, and whatever thing we said, he will cook. And when that cook is cook that all food, that time there is need to execute that food to like waiters, and that there is also need a customer to eat that served food. So we make one hotel for sitting there that all guests and eat food, and his give order, and all the waiters will take that order. So our JVM, JDK and JRE also same as that all hotel. So let's our JVM is the same as a cook. If let's talk about that cook. If we give any order to that cook what need, that cook when cook all these foods, he needs some tools to execute all these things to prepare for us. So we make knife, gas, kitchen, like these tools he need. So we make one kitchen for maintaining all these things inside that kitchen. And also for executing that food, we make there is also a servant, and which means that and next one is if we want to execute that all foods, waiter will execute, but there is need to eat customer. So customer want to see it, and want to see some view, so we make a hotel. So JVM is same as our cook. When Java want to run our program, JVM run that program, but he needs to execute that program to need some tools like JVM plus some libraries plus some other files. And if that program will be execute. Inside that JVM, it contain compiler also, and some other things like development tools. And our JDK is same. So the compiler plus development tools, that is JDK. And it's JDK like our entire hotel, because JDK contain all these things like JVM also, and JRE also. So because all hotel is same as JDK, because JDK contain which means that hotel contain kitchen and chef both.